What's up guys, Cody from KHC here, and in today's video we are going over this beast of a Gen 2 Raptor that we just finished for our customer. The fab shop, the techs absolutely knocked this thing out of the park, but let's get into the nitty gritty of this list as to what we put onto this Raptor. So to start, we did a KHC front and rear bumper. In the front bumper, we have 4 Baja Design clear lights and 2 Baja Design amber lights, creating 6 total lights on the front bumper. Next thing on the list is the KHC heavy duty intercooler, following a KHC stage 2 slot delete kit, which I highly recommend to all of you Raptor owners out there. After the stage 2 slot delete kit with the flat engine skid plate, we did a KHC low profile bypass rack with KHC tailgater bed supports. Continuing on in the rear, we have a KHC drop shackle kit that we installed and our KHC rear bump stock kit. One thing I forgot up front was the KHC torque arm. Now there were already a couple things already on the truck, the wheels, the Blitzkrieg mid-travel kit. I absolutely love these KMC beadlock wheels with the BF Goodrich 37-inch tires. I absolutely love this look. With the machined ring and the satin black wheel, I think it perfectly goes into what I would consider a stormtrooper look. I'd love to hear in the comments down below what your favorite part of this build is, whether it's a KHC part, the Blitzkrieg mid-travel kit, or the KMC wheels. Let me know. Don't forget to leave a like, comment down below, subscribe to join the KHC family, and we'll see you guys in the next one.